I have too many fridge and one gray hair. Do you see it there? The one and only. Oh, at 23. Wow. Unexpected. So young. What was I saying? And I've been looking for Bruno, aka the... for the longest time. I can't stop looking at it. So today we're gonna open 2 balls to see if we can finally find a Bruno. Yeah! I see you shaking, wicked. I can double. You're welcome. Marvelous performance. Broadway, control yourself. I am devoted to my community. Emma Balls. Sound check. No. So after crazy deliberation and talking to everybody, you guys included, I will be opening a PO box. We'll do it in time. Oh, this one's hard, Donut magnet, already have it. Useless. Lamb chops. A fruit tree. Pepperoni. Sausage party. Soft pretzels. This is the magnet that we're missing. Let's do witchcraft. I will sacrifice the lime shop. It's an offering to the gods of Bruno's. ABC magnet. Hamburger and fries from IHOP. Flounder. Turmeric shot for goddess immune system. I know. What's your sister salsa? I'm trying to stay positive here, guys. I really am. I really am. Oats. Great fiber. Bacon. If I should laugh or cry. We will find Bruno's. Okay? I'm gonna open the PO box. Balls are gonna come from all over the world. My mom and dad will be bringing me balls from New York soon. So at some point in life, maybe when I am completely gray hair, we will find Bruno. Don't forget to follow along for more crafty fun. Love you guys.